How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Mythic Legends. Also, if you guys are wondering where is where is white, I'm currently planning to play through platinum until where we left last time because my game's save file was corrupted last time. So I'm gonna play until I defeat the main game. So yeah, until then you guys are stuck with Mythic Legends. I'll probably start that platinum playthrough after some days, after I didn't even completed the first gym yet, but I'll complete it soon. Also, yesterday we defeated the third guardian. We came to Route 9, got the boat stump number 1. So I wanna explore this place. Leaf Stone. Also, let me turn up the speed to 2 times. Okay. Also, Falcon grew some levels. Also, it learned spikes. I wish the stealth rocks exist, but yeah, spikes are going to be helpful. Wow, okay. Speed 2 times. So annoying, but you have to do it. Are you a trainer? Okay. Okay, I defeated this trainer. Let's continue. I think we can't evolve Saya until post game or something stupid like that. So I'll probably not have Saya on the layout for this episode. Falcon getting some levels. Captain America. I'll get Tony soon in Black 2 White 2. Okay guys, let's go. An item. So let's TM40 aerialist. But I have fly for our flying time. Also our Falcon's hidden power is hidden power bug. So I will probably ditch it for toxic when we get toxic. Sayana Town. Sayana Town, the town of harmony. I'm gonna heal up. Okay, I healed up and let's explore this effing town. Looks like there is a daycare. Thank God. I'm not gonna use the daycare just yet, but yeah. Have you? Okay. What items you guys sell? Ultra balls, full restore, max potions, revives, ice heals, full heals. Wait, what? Wait, what? But full restores? Also, my money is insane because I grinded up in that battle place. Oh, I just remembered one thing. Looks like there's nothing much in this town. I will probably explore it a little bit more. Body slam. Okay. Chiru can use it over basically any of our other moves. Payday. You know what? I'm gonna hold up for body slam. Just yet. I collected a ton of stickers. Okay. Okay. So we have some ways to go. We can go to Lake Sayant, I think, which we cannot access yet. Route 11. I will go to Lake Saint or not Sayant. Lake Saint, not like Sayant or something like that. Okay, some trainers. Okay. Stupid enough battle. I'll see what the Pokemon are available here through PS, which I'm not gonna use. Also, Mythic Legends. I know this is a blind game. I am playing this blind, so yeah, I got to use so many Pokemon I never use. Like I never used any of Skarmory or an Sandslash or an. I used an Explode, but or Persian or a Suicune in my team. So this game really is helping me to use Pokemon I never ever used. I'm probably looking forward for some more Pokemon to use. Lake Saint. Even if you get an Omnibus, you're not a problem. You effing donkey. It sucks to do this every battle, but Heracross! Sorry Sokka, I would use you but I can't. I effing wall you, is saying. Sucks. I want to use only the Pokemon I never used. Well, Saya, Saya can evolve into an Umbreon, which really I never used. I'm really in this. I never used an Umbreon, even though it's basically off. Okay, guys. I came back, so there's probably something, right? I think it's a cutscene. What the actual F? How can I get that thing? Please, I want that thing. I'll probably figure it. What the actual F? Wow. Playing, man, I can't play without speed up. You always speed up. Don't lie, guys. You guys always speed up when you played Pokemon games. In like this, don't lie to me. If you play in any consoles, So you guys actually have sped up. I wish flies 90 best power in this line, like it was about Gen 4. Oh shit. Nice, Boomy, nice. Alkaline level 48. Skip Bloom. F, I have hidden power ice. Like nice, and I see. Also, we have choice band, so I'll probably give it to some another Pokemon. Amber Town. I wish a cutscene doesn't exist. So I'm gonna heal up. Okay, so I'm gonna explore this town and not giving you my HM Vadri. What do you mean you were chosen by the legendary Pokemon? Oh, you make no sense. You don't have the badges of the city's gym. Okay. Doesn't it make any sense? Why are you not selling any full restores? So I think there's nothing interesting in here. So I'll probably take down the gym in this episode. So let's take it on. Amber Town Gym leader Asana, the brave Amazon warrior. Don't have a flash. Looks like it's a fighting type gym, which we are very good against because we just got a flying type. It seems so stupid that I went to two towns and getting in gym in the episode. So looks like we are at the gym leader, guys. So I'm gonna battle those remaining two trainers and I'll talk to gym leader after I beat them. What is this way? Zinc, okay. Okay, guys, I'm back at the gym leader and let's talk to her. I am Asuna, Amber's gym leader. I've been training hard for years. Man, I can't read. So you wanted to challenge me? Let me see what you're made of. Okay, here we go. Electro versus Amber City gym leader. Gym leader number 6, Asuna. And I'm 14 now. So I want to wait 4 years more. Later Asuna wants to battle. Machamp, how can I get that thing? I will probably use it if you effing give me that thing. And we are close to level 50 and they are only level 38. What is your ace? It makes sense that that thing could be your ace. But I think it is a Mega Lopunny is your ace because it and you matches very well. And a meditate. I predicted you'll have a meditate in my mind. Sorry, meditate. What is Medicham in my mind? Primap only level 37. I thank God that we got Falcon. I know it's neutral, but what? So Medicham is your ace, okay, no problem. You'll probably use an hyper potion. What? It doesn't make any sense. A random trainer used on full restore. Why would you use an effing potion? Okay, cross chop miss. We won. I know that we are basically 10 levels higher than this gym, but who cares? Okay, I'll go for Industrial Wing. I'm not really going to risk any rolls. Okay, you are going for bulk up strats. I'll go for Fly. I have a special attacker in my bag. So sorry, Pokemon. We defeat leader Asuna. Wow, how did you do? I'm so thick. So you should be fall in my trap, but you didn't. Wow. How did you done that? Okay, you got me. Yeah, I got you. And now get a few secret by my character. You beat me, trainer. I think this means I have to let you take this fish badge. Character obtain the fish badge. My badge makes it possible for your Pokemon to surf outside of battle. And you take this TM. Brick break. Nice. And I'll get the brick break TM from that. Sorry, sir. We got HM3 sir. And I'll probably teach it to speak on off screen. And that's first episode, guys. Also, guys, in the next episode, let's play Pokemon Mythic Legends. Yeah, Mythic Legends. Peace.